Hello everyone. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you all guys are fit and fantastic. In this video I'm gonna talk about going outside. So let's get started. So most of the people in the world likes to go anywhere, as well as we also like to went anywhere or any kinds of places like that. Yesterday we went outside to walk, and if we walk in the outside or in our home, it is very essential for us. So I already told you that yesterday we went outside to walk, and in this video I'm gonna share with you that yesterday what we did when we were outside for walking. So let's begin. So if we walk 1 or 2 hours in outside, we feel much comfortable, and only not we feel comfortable, it is very essential for us also. And that day's weather was really very too much beautiful, and like that day's weather was kind of cloudy because that day it was a little bit raining, and in our area after raining our area's weather become very cloudy, and for that sometimes we also feel very cold. And guys, as you can see, the places which we are walking, that place is Mirpur 2 because we live in Mirpur 2. And as you can see, in that place there are many kinds of things such as plants, trees, rickshaw, many kinds of building, shops, and even also some animals. And as you can see, also some peoples are walking. And one thing that is, I like to walk on different places, or in our road, or in any kinds of garden and park, etc. Because whenever I walk anyone within any places, I feel much comfortable. So that's why I try to go everywhere by walking, because it makes me fun. Yeah, that's true. And guys, as you can see, there are little shops to buy snacks, and also many kinds of necessary things. And as you can see, me and my brother is walking on the street. So whenever we was walking on that street, that time we was feel very comfortable, because in that time the air was coming very firstly. So that's why that time we do a really very fun. And that day not only we walk on that street, that day we also eat many kinds of street food and snacks, because that time me and my brother was a little bit hungry. not a little bit. We were too much hungry. That's why in that day we ate a lot. And as you can see, it is a school. The name of the school is Orchid International School. And this school is an English medium school. And guys, as you can see, the street which we are walking together, in this street, as you can see, this street is very big, not that too much big, it's a little bit big, but we say it's a big street in this area, as you can see. And you know, most of the time we came here to walk, because as this road is very big and very comfortable to walk. And the most important thing that is, in this street road, some air comes. For that we feel more comfortable. Walking in this street road is my kind of hobby. Walking on this street is not only my hobby. My family also have this same kind of hobby to walk on this street, because this street is perfect, and this street is also perfect for jogging, those who like to jogging regularly. And the main thing that is, as you can see, that in this area there are many kinds of trees and flowers, and also even plants. I like this thing very much. Especially for that reason, most of the time we came here to walk for half an hour, because 1 or 2 time walking on the street is really very essential for us. That's why each and every day we try to walk on this street. And if we walk regularly in any street, it will be very essential for us, and for this our body will be fit. So guys, as you can see, we are continuously walking and walking because it's really fun. I hope you all guys like this video. So bye bye everyone. Take care. See you in another video.
We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. Shine bright like a diamond. We're beautiful like diamonds in the sky. Palms rise to the universe as we moonshine and Mali. Feel the warmth, we'll never die. We're like diamonds in the sky. You're a shooting star I see, a vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. At first sight, I felt the energy of sun rays. I saw life inside you shine bright tonight. You and I, we're beautiful.